Right guys, here is my new carving station. Come in here, pop the lid on, and you'll see here, I have my camera holder. Step back, give you a wee look. Got my dust masks. That's a wee carving I'm working on at the minute. Got my Kutzall banner, my carving bars, got my wood stain, the wee brush, got the Dremel hanging up there. That's easy enough. Just sitting there. Pop it out, walk away. Got my camera holder up here, and just pop the camera, it goes in here. That's the view you guys would see when I'm doing a video. So that's my new wee carving tent I've got. Got my shop vac sitting here out of the way, just pull it round, pop it across the desk there. Shop vac goes out the back. Goes out the back down there. The shop vac sitting outside the tent. The tent's actually 1.5 meters by 1.5 meters. I just thought it's perfect for doing the carving in. You see, it's pretty handy, everything's there that I need. I've got the Dremel up there. I recommend anybody hanging their Dremel, put it on a wee bungee cord, because it stops the vibrations. Like if you just have that hanging on something that's firm, it's going to rattle like crazy. I hang it on a wee bungee cord, it stops it rattling a wee bit. It's really good. Keep the brush handy there so you can just grab a brush, brush it into a hoover. Another wee tip I'll give you: get yourself a pair of wee pliers, and see when you're going to change your bits in your Dremel, it's a lot easier. I know the video doesn't show it, but I'm 6.5 foot tall nearly, so see, holding that wee tiny bit you get for the wee spanner you get for changing them, it's not that easy. So you just grab a pair of pliers, hold your Dremel, put the wee lock button in, just turn that round, easy peasy, lock it on and off. Well, always wear your dust mask. I wear a face mask on that over the top of it, especially now that I'm in such a wee confined space. It's only like I say, 1.5 meters by 1.5 meters. It's 2 meters high. That's a good job. So that is the new carving cube, folks. Like I say, really does a job. I just come in here, I can zip the door up. The door just zips up. Zip that up, zip myself in. Creation station, just carve away. It's really good. Got it all set up, the light's up in the back there, so it means the light's not shining in my eye here as I'm carving. The light's just down there where I need it. That's pretty good. So there we go, folks. That is the new carving station. All ready to go. And do a wee carving today here. I see Jordy just done a wee koi fish in a stone. It's very, very good. So I have a wee bit of limestone out there. I'm probably going to put a limestone in and try and do a wee koi fish in it. Inspired by my good bro Jordy. Hope everyone else is keeping good. So there we go, folks. That's a new carving cube. It's Big Bopper here, signing out. See you all later.